Hey everyone! It's your Ash here. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore smart and simple ways to make your work easier with artificial intelligence tools. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a professional PowerPoint presentation using Gamma AI, one of the most powerful AI presentation tools available right now. So, let's get started. First, open your Google browser and type Gamma AI in the search bar. From the search results, click on Gamma AI Powered Slides. Wait for a few seconds until the site loads. If you're using it for the first time, you'll need to log in using your email ID. Gmail works perfectly. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard. Click on the Create New button. This will open a new window with 4 different options to start your presentation. Here's what they mean. A. Paste in text, for those who already have written content. B. Generate, for creating slides from just an idea. C. Import file or URL, if your content is in a document or web page. D. Remix a template, if you want to use an existing Gamma design. In my case, I have a text document about company management. So, I'll choose the first option, paste in text, and simply copy-paste my content into the box. If you only have an idea, just type your topic in the Generate option, and Gamma AI will write your slides for you automatically. Once you've entered your text, click on Generate from Notes or an outline. Then, hit Continue to Prompt Editor. Here, you can review or modify your text before generating slides. Finally, click the Generate button. After a few seconds, Gamma AI will automatically create a complete PowerPoint presentation with proper layout, images, and design. Even the free version gives you up to 10 slides, which is great for most short presentations. Now, you can fine-tune your presentation. Change the text, swap images, choose different templates, or adjust the slide order. Everything is editable, just like PowerPoint, but much faster thanks to AI. Once your presentation is ready, go to the top right corner and click the 3 dots. Select Export, and you'll see 4 options. 1. Export to PDF. 2. Export to PowerPoint. 3. Google Slides. 4. Export as PNGs. If you want to edit your presentation later, choose Export to PowerPoint. Your PPT file will download automatically. Then, open it and click Enable Editing. Now you can add more slides, animations, or transitions using PowerPoint tools. And that's it. Your professional PowerPoint presentation is ready, beautifully designed and AI-powered. Try Gamma AI for your next project and save hours of formatting time. This is your Ash. Open it and click Enable Editing. Now you can fully customize your slides, add transitions, animations, new slides, charts, or even voiceovers. For example, you can insert your college logo, adjust the font style, or include a background music track for class presentations. Once done, don't forget to save your final version. In just a few minutes, you've created a visually stunning presentation, powered by AI, personalized by you. And that's it, your Gamma AI presentation is ready. Whether you're a student preparing for a seminar, a teacher designing lecture slides, or a research scholar presenting findings, this tool saves time and gives your presentation a polished, modern look. Remember, AI tools like Gamma don't replace creativity, they enhance it. You bring the ideas, AI helps you present them beautifully. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on AI tools and productivity hacks. Once again, this is your Ash, signing off. See you soon with another exciting AI tool. Until then, stay creative and keep learning.